I'm going to show you how to make winter sun catchers. Great project when it's freaking cold out, as it is here in Maine right now. Fun thing to do with your kids, and they look really cool outdoors. And it's a great way to just celebrate winter. Okay, so what we're going to end up with, and I have to do this fast because they're frozen and they will melt. Look, okay, you just take this out. Isn't that gorgeous? And then you can hang this outside. I have a kind of a hook right under my mailbox. So that's where I like to hang mine, and the neighbors walk by and I'm like, oh, these are so pretty, especially when the sun hits them. This one I did with ice and food coloring. Look how easy, look how easy they come out, she says. There it is, look. Isn't that gonna be pretty in the sun? Yeah, oh, it looks like a tree. Oh, that is so cool. You just never know how they're going to come out, especially when you're playing around with food coloring. So these are really easy to make. All you need are non-stick pans. You don't have to do anything to the pans if they're a good non-stick. All right. Then you need some rope or string, and you cut it, to fit. You definitely want it to go all the way through the ice because that way they will last longer. Then you just need water, some decorations, and if you want to do it with food coloring, I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to turn the camera and show you how to make one. Thanks for hanging out with me. And if you have not subscribed to the My Maine Gardens channel yet, I would love it if you would do that. And then we can have some more fun times together. Okay, let's do it. So what I did is I like to go out in the gardens and forage things. So I foraged some berries, just some random beautiful things from my winter garden, okay? So you're gonna take your string and you're gonna lay that in there like so, okay? And then put some water in it, and my fish. And then you just lay out your, however you want. I like to put something kind of under the string too, so that the string ends up kind of in the middle of the ice, because that way, if one side of the ice starts to melt faster than the other, it will last a little longer. So you kind of raise the string up. And again, there's no rules here, just throw stuff in. And stay tuned to the end of the video, because I made one of these with my friend Morgan for a WABI TV segment. And I'll show you that one. It's really pretty. And then I'll tell you about another one I made, and I'll show you that at the end. So see, I've just put these in there. Okay. And then you're just gonna fill it with water, stick it in your freezer, or if it's really cold outside, put it outside and let it freeze, and then it will just lift out and you're done. Piece of cake. All right, I'll set that aside. This one, how I did this is I took food coloring and made little ice cubes. You see that? Okay. And then put the ice cubes in and put water around it, and it froze like that. I can't wait to see what this looks like outside, so I'll take you out and show you. Finally, another way you can do this, I really need to work on my camera angles because this is hurting my knees. You can also just fill this with ice, okay? I did one with ice cubes and cranberries, and then you put water around it and let it all harden up together. And that looks really, really cool too. So I'll show you that one at the end. But that's it. Ice, ice, baby. Fun sun catchers. And I will tell you, there we go. Now I'm more comfortable. These will last outdoors anywhere from hours to days to weeks. All depends on the temperature, all depends on the angle of the sun. It's fun to kind of watch them when they start to melt. Sometimes they'll form icicles and they just get really pretty. And then when they melt, just pick the string up and make another one. So let me show you some that we finished and put in the gardens. And thank you for hanging out with me in my Maine Gardens kitchen. Appreciate it. Talk soon.